Welcome. Today we are exploring the concept of business agility. In a world where markets shift overnight and technology evolves constantly, the old ways of doing business are struggling to keep up. We'll break down the core concepts and benefits of transforming your organization into an agile powerhouse. So, what exactly is business agility? It is defined as the ability of an organization to rapidly adapt to market changes and respond flexibly to customer demands. Importantly, this goes far beyond just the software development department. It is a whole organization mindset that creates a significant competitive advantage. Let's compare the traditional model with the agile one. Traditional organizations often rely on rigid hierarchies, top-down decision-making, and siloed departments that resist change. In contrast, an agile organization functions as a network of teams with distributed authority. They are cross-functional, and most importantly, they embrace change rather than fighting it. The first core concept is customer centricity. This means obsessing over value. Instead of just following internal processes, the focus is entirely on delivering value to the customer. This requires establishing feedback loops to hear from them directly and ensuring you are solving real problems, not just guessing. The second concept is cross-functional teams. In an agile business, teams possess all the diverse skills necessary to deliver value from start to finish: design, engineering, marketing, and more. This autonomy empowers them to make decisions quickly without getting bogged down in bureaucracy or handoffs. Third, we have iterative development. Rather than building a massive project in isolation for years, agile businesses build small. They create a minimum viable product, deliver it quickly to the real world, and then learn from the data. This cycle of building, delivering, and learning is repeated frequently. Now let's look at the benefits. The primary benefit is speed to market. Agile organizations can outpace competitors by launching features and products weeks or months faster. This drastically reduces the cost of delay and allows the business to realize revenue and value much sooner. Another massive benefit is adaptability and resilience. When market winds shift, an agile business can pivot direction without chaos. By testing small changes often, you also reduce risk. You avoid the danger of betting the entire company on a single massive project that might fail. Finally, there is a profound impact on culture. Agile environments foster high employee engagement. Teams are purpose-driven and have ownership over how they work. This creates psychological safety, where failure is seen as a necessary part of learning, rather than something to be punished. To summarize, business agility is about putting the customer first, embracing change as a strength, empowering your teams to make decisions, and committing to continuous learning. Adopting this mindset is no longer optional. It is essential for thriving in the modern economy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.